Hey everyone, Dex here at TGW. In manufacturing environments, continuous improvement, lean manufacturing principles, and operational efficiency is key for achieving profitability. A line down can have a costly snowball effect on your profitability and your team's working hours. Many manufacturers are actively investing in technology, such as automated production lines, to ensure product consistency, quality, speed, and accuracy. But often, automated technology for warehouses is overlooked. Manufacturing sites face challenges with optimizing inventory level, crowded floor space, inefficient racking setups, limitations of manual line replenishment processes, and fluctuations in available labor. In our blog, we uncover the benefits of warehouse automation technology, including ASRS and mobile robotic systems, for line replenishment, transportation of finished goods, storage, and outbound operations. Check out the blog and see why more manufacturers are looking at warehouse automation solutions to improve their operational efficiency.